What's up guys, Cooking with Lev here. I'm gonna be showing you guys a beautiful new wood pellet grill which was sent to me by Banggood.com, international online retailer. They also have Amazon store and they sell all these products on their sites, which can be purchased easily from Amazon or Banggood.com. So I want to say thanks to Banggood.com for sending this pellet grill. It's called High Mambo. It's a 8-in-1 pellet grill. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this grill, guys, has an extendable hopper which gives you actually a large capacity of space where you can have a lot of pellets and you're not going to worry about running out. It's going to give you a huge capacity, and it's 8-in-1 actually, which basically means this has 8 grilling methods. You can barbecue, bake, roast, braise, smoke, sear, broil, char grill. So pretty much you can do anything you want. It's very lightweight and it's actually portable. That's the best part of it. The legs actually folds. You can store it in your storage or you can take it to camping, anything you want. You can easily fit in the car. And also, when you guys purchase this grill, this is going to come with the cover, which worth about $50. It looks something like this. Very nice cover. And I will post a link in my description box with 25% coupon if you guys decide to purchase it. So at the end, I will honestly tell you guys if it's worth to buy it or not. Today we're going to make a pork butt in this beautiful pellet grill, and at the end we will see how it's done. So let's start cooking. So I'm going to show you guys how the assembly was. It was very easy. Instructions and parts were very easy to put together. So we're gonna go ahead and start preparing the pork butt, and then we're gonna smoke it for 1 hour. Thereafter we're gonna cook this for approximately 6 to 7 hours on a temperature of 300 to 350. Internal temperature we're gonna be targeting about 195 to 205. So let's go ahead and start cooking. For our pork butt, I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to be using today. I got dry thyme, black pepper, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, sumac, ginger powder, brown sugar, and of course we're going to use a rub. We're going to rub it with mustard and Worcestershire sauce. We're going to go ahead and apply on it. So let's go ahead and start mixing those seasonings. I'm going to be using 10 tablespoon for our measurements. We're gonna add cayenne pepper, smoked paprika. We need about 2 tablespoons of this. This gives better flavor. Cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, sumac, brown sugar, and dry thyme. We're gonna mix this up. Been about 1 hour of smoking. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this in a butcher paper. Go ahead and open it, Andre. Alright, looks good already. Amazing.
Amazing. 4 thumbs up.
Guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Banggood.com provided this wood pellet grill, cooks very evenly, tastes amazing. As you guys can see, we made a pulled pork from pork butt. 6 hours, 7 hours of cooking. It's amazing, unbelievable. Cheers, guys. Amazing. So tender. I can feel the smoke. So tender, beautiful. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed.